Okay, so question number 4. An urn contains 10 balls, 4 red and 6 blue. A second urn contains 16 red balls and an unknown number of blue balls. A single ball is drawn from each urn. The probability that both balls are the same color is 0.44, and we want to know the number of blue balls in the second urn. Okay. So the probability that both are the same color is 0.44, and that's just going to be the probability that both are red. I'll just put R here, plus the probability that both are blue. And because the event of the color of the ball from the first urn and the second urn are independent, we can just multiply their probabilities to get the probability that both are red and the probability that both are blue. So, because remember, we're not taking, the first ball and then whatever that uh, is and putting it in the second urn and then drawing from that second urn. No, we're just drawing individually from the first urn and the second urn. So regardless of what we get from the first urn, it will not affect what happens with the second urn. So so if we just look at the probability that both are red, the first urn is red with probability 4 because there's 4 balls in the first urn over the total number of balls in the first urn, which is 4 plus 6 or 10. And because of independence, we can multiply that by the probability that the second urn is going to be, we're going to draw a red ball from the second urn, which is 16 red balls and an unknown number of blue balls. So in total, we'll have 16 plus whatever that number of blue balls is in the second urn, which is what we're looking for. And now the probability that both are blue is going to be 6 over 10 multiplied by the number of blue balls in the second urn over, again, the 16 plus b. And then it's just a matter of solving this equation for b. So we get 0.44. Um, I'm just going to cross multiply here. So the denominator here is common. It's 10 times 16 plus b. So that's going to give 160 plus 10b. And that's going to be equal to 64 plus 6b. Okay, so 160, I'll just use my calculator for that. 160 times 0.44 is 70.4. So we have 70.4 plus 4.4b is equal to your 64 plus 6b. Collect your like terms. Uh, and that will give us 1.6b this side and 6.4 um, there, so that will give us b is equal to 6.4 divided by 1.6 is going to give us 4. So the answer is 4. Let's quickly take a look at what the SOA did in their solutions. Um, yeah, so they're using some set notation again, but in this case, the solution that I have and what they've done is pretty much the same. We have the 0.44, we're setting that equal to the probability that the first urn is red times the probability the second urn is red plus the probability the first ball is blue and times the probability that the second ball is blue, and then we're just solving for the x. So in this case, I think our solutions are pretty similar.